Star Tech Next. Learn in the tech, live in the tech. So, are you thinking about Google Pixel 3 XL? So don't think, because we have rumors about it, which is 80 to 90% perfect. So in this phone you will get 6.2 inches of full HD plus screen, and you will get two variants of this phone. First one is of 6 GB RAM and 64 GB ROM, and the other one is 6 GB RAM and 128 GB ROM. Its body is aluminum body and partial glass back. You will get one nano SIM and one electronic SIM in this. You will not get any micro card in this phone. Its screen is OLED capacitive touch screen, in which you will get 60 million colors. This phone is 19.5:9 ratio, and in this one you will get multi-touch, and front glass is Gorilla Glass 5. You will get Android 9.0 in this phone with Snapdragon 845. You will get an Adreno 630 GPU, and there is only one primary camera, which is 12.2 megapixel with f1.8 aperture on 27mm and 1.1 gem 2.6 aperture on 1.4mm. And the secondary selfie camera you will get on 8 megapixel of f gem 2.2 aperture on 25mm of 1080p. You will not get any 3.5mm jack in this one, but you will get adapter of type C to 3.5mm jack headphone, and also you will not get radio in this phone. You have USB 3.1 and type C 1.0 reversible connector, and there is non-removable battery is present. And in this phone you will get 3 color variants. First one just black, second black, and third is white. So more information about Google Pixel 3 XL, be connected with Mr. Tech Next. Learn in the tech, live in the tech.